Hello. Hello, dear officers. Welcome to Global Investigation Portal. So, I'll tell you the new interface of GIP as well how you can use this website. So, first of all, you should have to visit this link gip.vihgroup.com and then you'll get a login panel. And whatever credential you got from the owner of the website, just enter it there, login ID and password. Now, I'll give you a small tour about the new portal and the new enhancement of this website. So this is the first page. Okay, this is what you get after the time of login. So this is top. So let's take the first page out there. So here we introduce you a public chat box. Okay, so you can ask whatever query you are having, any question you can ask here. Don't worry, all the users, those who are registered on this website, are law enforcement agent only. Okay, no private bodies are there on this platform. So you can put up any of your query and you will get an answer from Lias as well from our team. So let's say uh, let's type this sure, let's type sure, submit. So your message will get submitted. You can allow so that from next time you will get a pop-up with a what you say tone. Okay, so just you can type whatever query you are having. So it's public chat box. Whatever you type, it will be visible for all the web owners of all the uh, users of this website, all the LIA officers. So all try to be active on this area. And then this is a small notice like please don't share your credential to anyone because we are working to give information for LIAs only. Okay, and we are trying to integrate it more as well. So this is some of the post you should have to visit. Term to know for LIAs, what is open source intelligence, and a skill that every modern officer should know. Okay, this is a bit more information, and that's the bottom. Okay, so this is your first page tool. Now if you go here, then there will be multiple case studies. Okay, just click here, case study Indian, so that you'll get a case study of whatever happened in India. Okay, you'll click read more, so you'll get a detailed value. Okay, so now if you click directly here, then you'll get about blogs. Okay, if you click here, then you will get a case study of digital evidence. We are going to add much more case studies, but for right now it's there only. Second, build logic. Here you will get some parameters, some scenarios, so you should have to use your logic. Okay, this is the case and you should have to drop your answer here, whatever you are having. Two cases are there right now. We'll update it soon. So this is what we integrated now. Nodals. Okay, whatever nodals officer information you are finding here, just have to type like let's say geo. Okay, geo, so just type it here. You got the information. Okay, so whatever nodal officer information you would like to you want, okay, just type it here, you'll get information. Now let's get to the ransomware section. So here you will get multiple decryptors. Okay, so here we go, like DJVU ransomware is there, how to use and download the tool. Okay, so ransomware is basically at first you should have to, like whenever you download and start using it, make sure to first remove the virus. Okay, so that it will not replicate again and again. Then let's get to the beginner area. Suppose if any layout set is absolute beginners, so you can get on this area. Okay, so that you'll get a basic idea about basic terms. Okay, this is what we added up here. Okay, soon there will be much more video content so that you will get some information, more information. Suppose if you're stuck anywhere, you need any query, any support, just click on support button right top and just fill out your form. And suppose if it's very typical case, emergency case, then you can call on this number. This is my personal number, but don't try to share it with anyone. Okay, so that's about this platform. This is newly created platform a few days ago. We transferred here only. Okay, so that's all. If you have any query, anything, just let us know. Whatever query you are having, you can type here as well. So that's all from my side. So this is what I would like to tell you, and just let me know if you're stuck anywhere. Okay, I can help you. We'll try our best. Even we just created a small team who will be for the support of GIP. Okay, like those guys are going to help you. Okay, they are closely going to help you whatever query you are having, either technical, either non-technical, either help in any case. Okay, we'll try our best. No charges, nothing will be there, everything will be free for you guys. Okay, because you are serving for the nation. So the only motive is like we would like to be a part of yours. Okay, so that's all from my side. Thank you very much. I'll be waiting for your input, your feedback, so just type it here. So thank you, have a great day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.